Hey Corey, what's going on today?
Hey Aaron, I've got a 23 Bronco today, was coming in for a moan noise from the brakes as it was driving in reverse. This is actually a new bulletin through Ford. It affects Bronco Sports and Escapes from about 2020 up to brand new models. And basically what happens is these bushings back here on the back of the calipers are faulty, so they install some reinforcement bushings, and then anything consequential from that gets replaced too, as well as the pads. We're going to go ahead and get this one taken care of, but I've seen quite a few of these already this week and last week. So if you are experiencing any kind of groan when you're backing up from those brakes, it probably needs those reinforcement bushings.